Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating a summer wall decor piece with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now, the only thing that did not come from the Dollar Tree was the rhinestone embellishment, and that came from Beebeecrafts. Now, I am an ambassador for Beebeecrafts, so I'm going to be linking below their website. I'm also going to link below the item that I'm using. Also, a discount code for 10% off your total order. Now, this video is part of a collaboration called Hello Summer, and this is being hosted by The Rustic Willow, DIY from House to Home, and Our Gray House. As in all collaborations, I practice YouTube etiquette. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who return subscribers, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Okay, so the items that I'm painting here did come from the wood section of the Dollar Tree. I am painting those in yellow. Now the paint that I'm using is the Apple Barrel. I can't remember the name, but it is Apple Barrel, and I bought it at Walmart. Now I am using, went into my stash, so pretty much this did not cost me anything except for the items that I already had. So I got a pizza pan that had been sitting there forever. I got the buffalo check vinyl from the Dollar Tree. And everything else, like I said, besides the Beebeecraft chain, and it is absolutely gorgeous. That was the only thing that came from Beebeecraft was that chain. Everything else came from the crafter section of the Dollar Tree. Now I am sitting there waiting for those pieces to dry, so we're not going to waste any time. I grabbed the pizza pan. I had already pre-cut the vinyl in the shape of the inside of the tray. Now, besides that bling embellishment, I also purchased this wooden rounds. I absolutely love these rounds, and they're in a walnut color. Well, they're round circles, and I'm going to go around the whole tray, the inside of the tray, with these little wood rounds. And now I'm really loving how that's looking. So I think we're going to move on over to those yellow pieces that I colored. Now the Dollar Tree is also carrying these wood rounds. They look like hangers to me. But anyway, I painted this one, just that one, in yellow. And I just have to figure out what the placement is to that. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and glue the little button ones, the little ones that look like buttons. Now, I only had but so many, so I'm used to doing the 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock thing. And then anything in between there, then I figure that out. Now, I also had a placemat that I purchased a while back from Walmart, and they were like 2 strips. Well, we weren't going to let that go to waste, so I went ahead and made a bow out of it, and it was just a matter of figuring out the placement and embellishing. So we had to move things around until I figured out where I wanted that bow, and then just to embellish. So of course that wound up in the center, and I'm just putting 2 strips of that bling wrap. I'm just doing stuff sparingly with it because I absolutely love it. I think it's gorgeous. Now, this definitely is a piece that people would like zoom right into. I think we need to head on over to the reveal. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I didn't hang it on the wall. I just kept it sitting here on the table because it really wasn't fully dry yet. So I do want to take a moment and thank the Rustic Willow DIY from House to Home and our Gray House for hosting this collaboration. Now those 2 wooden slices that are right there in the center of that bow kind of remind me of wings. So this whole thing reminds me of the bee theme. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.